Hey everyone, it's Tom here from Ludicrous Feed. Thank you so much for joining us. Today I'm reviewing the Daxys Bandicoot Electric Scooter from PanMe Australia. Viewers will get a $100 discount off this product if you use my coupon code TESLATOM at the checkout. I'll leave all those details in the video description below. And many thanks to PanMe Australia for sending me this product to review. Let's have a look at some of the specifications now. So the product weight is 25 kilograms. And the maximum rider weight is 120 kilograms. Top speed of 25 kilometers an hour, has an approximate range of 50 to 55 kilometers as well. And the battery charge life is greater than 70% after 500 times of charge and discharge. Traversable terrain, short grass, dirt, gravel, footpaths. Operating temperature range is between minus 10 degrees and 40 degrees, and same with the storage as well. 10-inch tire size, braking distance of 4.4 meters. Time to charge to full is 7.5 hours. And there is a nominal energy battery pack of 604.8 watt hours. And it allows for standard 240 volt charging as well. There is a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Okay, so let's have a quick walk around the Daxys Bandicoot Scooter. So there we go. 10-inch wheels, 45 PSI. I like the fact that it has suspension as well. That makes it for a more comfortable ride, as you'll see later on. Have a walk around this way. Brake lights, indicator lights, which I'll test very shortly. Kickstand. I like the colours too, that aqua turquoise colour. There's the branding there on this side. And coming up the stem here, that's how you fold it. I'll just show you that as well in a second. And coming up to the handlebars, there's the LED display, which I'll go through as well. Got handbrakes on both sides, front and rear, and throttle as well, on-off button, and the light switch. So there it is, the Daxys Bandicoot Scooter. Okay, so there we go, some more stats here. Net weight 24.6 kilos, maximum speed 25 kilometers an hour. And it says here, do not charge right after riding. Let the device cool for an hour before charging. If the scooter is stored for a long time, ensure a full charge every 2 months. If battery gets completely empty, a 24-hour charge is required. There's the charge port there on this side. Okay, so that's the charging box. One end goes obviously into the scooter there, and the other is just a standard 10 amp plug that goes into your wall. And safety information on the back right there, lithium-ion battery charger. 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 2.5 amps. And there's the output information there. Red light means charging, green light means charge full or disconnect. Okay, so this is the folding mechanism there. Just unclasp that. And then once that is unlocked there, then this tube can go down. Okay, so unclasped, and then you can just fold it down like so. Down it comes. And then you'll see this locking hook that can come out like that. And as it comes down, just hook it up like that. There we go. And then you can just carry this with one hand. Like so. It is quite heavy, of course, 25 kilograms. But at least it's got this hook to make it easier to carry. And then to bring it back up, just bring the tube up like so. And then this mechanism here should lock in like this. And then you push this clasp in like this. And that locks it into place, and you're safe to ride off. Okay, so let's go through some of the operations of the scooter. So to turn the screen on, just push this button here. There we go. We've got the speedometer here. You've got what ride mode you've got up there as well. And you've got the current trip and the battery indicator, of course. And then on this side, you've got indicators. So let's try the right indicator. There we go, we can see that in operation, and also the back indicator as well, so making it very safe. And then we can go to the left side, same thing, front and back as well. Yep. And you've also got the brake lights, so if I pull the handbrake there, you can see the brake light in operation there. And similarly with the left side, pull the handbrake. Same thing that comes on the back there, making it super safe. It's quite good. You've also got the bell. So the bell's over here. On this side, you've got the front headlights, so push that one. You can see that just turning on there. Press once more to turn it off. So the throttle speeds are E for Eco, D for Dynamic, and S for Sport. And this is the throttle, and then this is the e-brake. All right, that's pretty much a rundown of the Daxys Bandicoot scooter. I think it's time to head off for a ride and demonstration. Okay, so I'm just riding now, going at the slower speed, and this is quite a bumpy road, but because there's suspension on this scooter, I'm not actually feeling the bumps too much. So that's one massive benefit of this this particular scooter. It's very cool. Not bumpy at all. So I'm going at 13 kilometers an hour. And that's still pretty smooth. Probably hear the gravel there, but having a great time. Alright everyone, this is the Daxys Bandicoot scooter. Many thanks again to PanMe Australia for sending me this scooter to review and to keep. Thank you very much. And don't forget to use my coupon code TESLATOM for $100 off the purchase of this scooter. And if you're going to ride an electric scooter, please take note of your local laws with regards to electric mobility. Stay safe out there, and until the next Ludicrous Feed video, happy charging!